Hi everyone and welcome back to Frequencyclick. In today's video, we'll share everything you need to know to create a stunning website that will boost your online presence and help you stand out from the crowd. Whether you're starting a blog, selling products, or promoting your services, this guide will provide you with the essential steps to create a professional website that converts. Make sure to stay till the end. I have bonus tips just for you. Now, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all our future content. Let's go. Define your purpose and target audience. Before you start designing your website, it's important to have a clear idea of your website's purpose and target audience. Ask yourself these questions. What do I want to achieve with my website? Who is my ideal customer or reader? What problems or needs do they have? What kind of content or products will they be interested in? By answering these questions, you'll be able to create a website that resonates with your target audience and delivers value. For example, if you're starting a fitness blog for women over 40, you'll want to choose a domain name, design, and content that speaks to that demographic. Choose a domain name that represents your brand. Your domain name is your website address, and it's important to choose a name that's memorable, unique, and easy to spell. Ideally, your domain name should also reflect your brand and the purpose of your website. Here are some tips for choosing a great domain name. Keep it short and easy to remember. Avoid numbers, hyphens, and special characters. Use relevant keywords if possible. Check for availability on social media platforms. For example, if your brand is called Sunrise Yoga and your website is about yoga classes and products, you might choose the domain name sunriseyoga.com or sunriseyogastudio.com. Use a professional website builder. There are many website builders available that can help you create a professional looking website without any technical knowledge. Some popular options include Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, Weebly, and Shopify. These website builders offer a range of templates and design options to choose from, making it easy for you to create a website that aligns with your brand. For example, Wix offers over 500 customizable templates for various industries such as fashion, food, travel, and music. You can also use Wix's drag and drop ability to add elements such as text, images, videos, and forms. Squarespace, on the other hand, is known for its sleek and minimalist design, which is great for creative professionals and artists. Designed with user experience in mind. Your website design plays a crucial role in how users perceive and interact with your brand. A well-designed website should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and optimized for user experience. Here are some design tips to keep in mind. Use a clear and readable font. Use high-quality images and videos. Use white space to create a clean and spacious layout. Use colors that match your brand's personality and mood. Use clear and concise headline and subheadings. For example, if you're designing a website for a restaurant, you might use a color palette that includes warm and inviting colors such as red, orange, and brown. You might also use high-quality images of food and drinks and use a font that's easy to read. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results pages. This can help drive more organic traffic to your website and increase your online visibility. Let's dive deeper into some ways to optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant keywords. One of the most important things you can do to optimize your website for search engines is to use relevant keywords throughout your website. These keywords should be related to your business and the topics you cover on your website. You can use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to research and find the best keywords for your website. Once you've identified your target keywords, make sure to use them in your website's content, titles, headings, and meta descriptions. For example, if you run a fitness blog, some relevant keywords might include fitness tips, healthy eating, workout routines, and weight loss. By using these keywords throughout your website, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages for these terms. Create high-quality content. Another important factor in optimizing your website for search engines is creating high-quality content. Search engines like Google reward websites that provide valuable, informative, and engaging content to their users. So make sure to publish content that's well written, relevant to your audience, and provides value. For example, if you run a photography blog, you might publish articles on topics like how to take great portraits, the best cameras for beginners, or tips for editing your photos. By creating high quality content, you can attract more visitors to your website, keep them engaged, and increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages. Build backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. They're important because they signal to search engines that other websites consider your content valuable and relevant. The more backlinks you have from high-quality websites, the more likely search engines are to consider your website authoritative and rank it higher in search results. There are several ways to build backlinks to your website. One is to create high-quality content that other websites will want to link to. You can also reach out to other websites in your industry and ask if they will be willing to link to your content. Another option is to guest post on other websites and include links back to your own website in your author bio. Make sure your website is mobile friendly, with more and more people using their smartphones to browse the internet. It's important to make sure your website is optimized for mobile devices. This means using a responsive design that adjusts to different screen sizes and making sure your website loads quickly on mobile devices. According to Google, over 50% of website traffic now comes from mobile devices. So having a mobile-friendly website is crucial if you want to reach a larger audience. Not only does it make your website easier to use on mobile devices, but it also signals to search engines that your website provides a good user experience. Now that we've covered some ways to optimize your website for search engines, let's move on to the next tip for creating a professional website. Make sure your website is easy to navigate. When someone visits your website, they should be able to easily find the information they're looking for. This means organizing your website's content into clear categories and sections, and using intuitive navigation menus that make it easy to move around your website. Avoid cluttering your website with too many elements or making it difficult to find important information. Instead, focus on creating a clean and simple design that's easy on the eyes and makes it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Here are some tips for making your website easy to navigate. Use clear heading and subheadings to break up your content into sections. Use a consistent navigation menu throughout your website. Use descriptive labels for your menu items so visitors know what to expect when they click on them. Include a search bar. This is especially important for websites with a lot of content, as it allows visitors to easily find what they are looking for. A search bar should be prominently displayed on your website, preferably in the header or sidebar. When implementing a search bar, it's important to ensure that it's functional and easy to use. The search bar should be clearly labeled and visible, and the search results should be accurate and relevant. You can also consider adding filters or categories to help visitors narrow down their search results. Don't forget to smash the like button if you find this video helpful. This will definitely help our channel. So now, here are the bonus tips. It's all about free website builders. If you're just starting out with your online business and don't have the budget to hire a professional web designer, there are several free website builders that you can use to create a professional looking website. Here are 3 popular options. WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. It's user-friendly and customizable with a wide range of themes and plugins to choose from. You can use WordPress to create anything from a simple blog to a full-fledged e-commerce store. Wix. Wix is a popular website builder that offers a free plan as well as premium plans with more features. It has a drag and drop interface that makes it easy to create a website without any coding skills, and it offers a wide range of templates and design options to choose from. Google Sites. Google Sites is a free website builder that allows you to create a website using pre-built templates or by customizing your own design. It's relatively simple to use and integrates well with other Google tools like Google Drive and Google Analytics. While these free website builders can be a great starting point, it's important to keep in mind that they may have limitations in terms of customization, storage, and branding. Additionally, you may need to pay for premium features or add-ons to access certain functionalities. In conclusion, a professional website is an essential component of any online business. It's not only a means of establishing your credibility and building a strong online presence, but it can also help you attract more customers and differentiate yourself from your competition. By following the tips outlined in this guide, you can create a professional looking website that aligns with your brand and meets the needs of your visitors. Remember to choose the right domain name. Use a professional website builder. Keep it simple and easy to navigate. Optimize it for search engines. Make it mobile friendly and include a search bar. With these key features in place, your website will be well on its way to success. We hope this guide has been helpful in your website building journey. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Good luck with your website building endeavors. See you in the next one.